Let's see how we can activate mobile banking for the TSB Mobile Bank application. In today's digital age, having convenient and secure access to your banking services is crucial. The TSB Mobile Bank App offers just that, allowing you to check your balances, pay bills, transfer money, and much more, right from the palm of your hand. In order to activate mobile banking in the TSB app, you'll want to open your App Store or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user and make sure you have the TSB Mobile Bank application. When you install the app, you want to open it and the interface is going to look something like this. The mobile app has a cool look, and let's go through the steps of activating the mobile banking. We have Open a TSB Account button at the top, and this means that we can create a new TSB account. But we are not going to do that since we already have an existing account. We'll learn how to create a mobile banking account for our existing TSB account. So we'll tap on the Register button at the bottom, which should be right next to the Login button. After you've done that, we'll click on this button that says Register for Digital Banking. So make sure that you tap on that option. Now we'll have to select the account type that we have on TSB Bank. If we have a current TSB account, we'll select that. If you have a savings account, make sure to select the savings account here from the list, and so on. After you've done that, they'll ask us to enter in our sort code and account number. When you enter that information, you will want to tap on the next option and just follow the on-screen instructions in order to finish setting up your TSB mobile banking account. They'll also ask you to create a username and password for that account in order for you to easily log in and start using the mobile banking in the TSB app. When you finish setting everything up and you've created the password and the username for the TSB mobile banking, you can go over and open the TSB mobile app and log in with your account. And that's how you can activate mobile banking for the TSB Mobile Bank app. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.